Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again where I share tricks and tips on digital marketing, web design and how to make money online. Previously, I've shared a video on how you can make money online from transcribing videos to text. And I showed you shortcut of what you can do. Now today the good news is that you can actually use AI, artificial intelligence, robots to do that job for you. If previously you have been taking freelance jobs on freelancer and some other popular apps like Upwork and other applications. Now I can show you in this video, if you watch this video to the very end, how you can do just transcribing in few seconds with the help of AI. If you want to do that, make sure you click the like button of this video and then follow me. I'm going to show you how to do that right now.
Welcome to my channel. My channel has a lot of educative content for you. Content around web design, digital marketing, and how to make money online are what my content actually are. And I'm sure that you'll be able to make money online and do digital marketing if you watch videos on this channel. Simply click on the link in the description of this video to see more videos on my channel, and then you'll be glad you did. Now, let's go to transcription. How do you transcribe freely and then make money online with transcription? I've already shared the video with you, and this is the link to the video again. This video showed you how you can use Transcript and all other websites to be able to make money online. So come up to this website now, to this video now, and watch it to be able to make up to $1,000 per week if you actually want to do that. Now, if you want to do it in a very easy way, there is an AI robot that can allow you to get that done. Come to freesubtitles.ai. Now, this AI allows you to be able to upload the videos. I'm going to upload a short video right now, and you'll see how it's going to work. And then you'll see how you're going to do that. So you can actually use some of the paid version, but let's click. And then I said I want to pick some videos, and then let me just pick a video there, and then I'll be able to transcribe that video. So let me just pick a random video from my YouTube channel, and then I'm going to show you a random video. So let's just go for a short video, and then this. Let's say I have this, and then I can actually detect and allow it to detect what language it is, and then it can also transcribe for me into different languages. So this is what I'm going to do right now, and then I'm going to click on upload. So it's going to check my upload length, and then look at this right now, it's going to upload it for me. So as soon as it's uploaded, it's going to tell you the time that will be done, and you'll be able to get it done. So as soon as the upload is complete, you will see this next phase that will tell you processing. There are 8 people currently ahead of me because this version is not a paid version. I'm teaching you how to do it free, and this is what I am actually doing. Now, for us to be able to access the paid version, you just spend $0.01. So as soon as this is completed now, you're going to see that it's going to process for you right now. So you see now that it has recorded, and then this is what it's showing me. So now, so if I play it right now, and I can also convert it to Yoruba or any other thing. So this is what it does for you. So it works. I can then download this SRC version and upload on YouTube. I can also download the file here and upload. I can start another transcription and other things. So you could see right now it's already playing for me. So that's what to do. Now the next thing again I want to show you is how you can actually download a YouTube video, the transcript of a YouTube video. So if you love a YouTube video and then you want a transcript of that YouTube video. So let me pick a YouTube video right now, and I'm going to just copy it and then come and paste in YouTubetranscript.com. You visit YouTubetranscript.com, and then you paste the URL right now. So paste it, and then you say go. So this transcript will help you to be able to generate the transcript. So this is it. This is it. This is it. This is exactly what I've been said in the video. Which one is easier for you? Let me know in the comment section. Do you want to use the AI that helps you to do that, to convert the video and fix it automatically, or you want to use a YouTube transcript that does that and then gives you the transcript of the video. Which one do you want to do? Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends, and you'll be glad you did. I'm going to see you some other time. Make sure you make money online only legitimately. Bye.
So they always say na lie, na lie, na lie, na lie. Every time you always say it's a lie to make money online. So if you have never made any money online before, I'm going to show you a secret website where you can make at least 500 naira every day. 500 naira every day. Every day. That is the least amount I think you should be able to get. If you don't have anything you want to do, just spend 30 minutes on that website. Just go right now to freebies.com. Look at it here, freebies.com, or you click the link in my bio, the link in the description of this video, or the link below around this video. You will be able to make this 500 naira online. If you work online, the website will allow you to be able to work online by doing small tasks. Just for example, make a post on your Facebook page and you'll be paid 100 naira. For you to be able to make use of this website very well, click the link below and then continue now, and you will make your first money online, trust me.